ओके, सब 3 लंबी सांसें लेंगे, स्लो सांसें लेंगे.
Delhi doesn't wait for opportunities, it creates them. A city charged with inspiring builders who refuse to slow down. And today, at Hack This Fall, we turn that raw energy into something bigger, stronger, and truly unstoppable.
Hack This Fall started in 2020 with a simple belief that builders can change the world. All they need is a space which is inclusive, welcoming, and encourages them to innovate for good.
How's the build going?
I think it's like the coffee, smooth and kind of the energetic.
Okay.
Just got my Polaroid clicked at Hack This Fall, and this is a personalized frame for our Polaroid, and I think it's a very cool idea, and I think all events should have this.
And between every sprint, every idea, every what if, collaboration took center stage. Because here, building isn't chaos. It's craft, it's innovation, and it's building for a better tomorrow.
We Delhi people don't just write code. We craft it with emotions.
Every prototype carried a purpose, every team carried a heart. And with every line of code, we were getting one step closer to the idea of building for good, which is the very spirit of Hack This Fall. That was all from our Delhi NCR Build Station. We'll see you in the next one. Happy hacking.